This is a quick tutorial video to help you access the library databases from off-campus. There's many ways to get into the library databases through the ZU extranet, but I'm going to show you one way that you can access the extranet. Go to the ZU homepage, click on Library, and connect from off-campus under Services. So this is a tutorial page that shows you step-by-step how to connect from off-campus. Here's the link to the extranet. You type in your ZU ID, and then you choose Library Homepage. This is the library homepage through the extranet. So from here, Quick Find isn't available at the moment, but you click on Find an Article. And any of the databases that you normally use on campus will be available right here. So for example, rather than getting a screen that says enter your credit card, you know that you have a 3-hour session on the extranet in one of our subscription databases. When you search for articles, it should be just as if you were looking on campus. Some things aren't available full text as in a normal database, but here would be a full text example. This would be the same in any database. PDF, you can email yourself the article, APA citation. So that is how you get an article when you're off campus. If you have any questions while the library is open, you can just go to our homepage, and there should be someone on chat to answer any quick questions, or contact your liaison librarian if you have questions. Thank you.